Most of our brushes are rather in bad shape. I'm going to put some dish soap in there. I'm going to work it into the bristles, try and loosen up some of that old paint. I'm going to rinse some of that out. I probably want to do it 2 or 3 times. So I have my hand here and I push here and it spreads the bristles out. It causes the soap to work down in there and get all lathered and foamy and get in there to help extract the paint and other dirty parts. I'm also going to take a comb to it because this one's kind of nasty. And I'm going to try and work that soap up into the part near the ferrule. The ferrule is this metal, this metal ring that contains all the bristles. And that's where you never want to get paint, but clearly this one has gotten paint all the way worked in there because it's rock solid. It's rock solid here, and it really shouldn't be rock solid there. So we're going to try and clean this out now that we've used the comb on it. It's got a little more flexibility in it, a little more life in it. It's good for some generic uses. It wouldn't be good for some fine work.